To set up widgets on your Android lock screen, start by going to your phone's home screen. From there, long press on any empty space where there are no app icons or folders. After a moment, a menu will appear. Tap on the option labeled Wallpaper and Style or a similar setting depending on your phone brand, such as Samsung, Pixel, or other Android devices. Next, choose the current lock screen wallpaper option. This will take you to the customization screen for your lock display. On this page, you will see different editing tools for time, notifications, and widgets. Look for the section labeled Plus Widgets located just below or near the clock area on the lock screen preview. Tap on the plus or add widgets button to open the available widget list. You can scroll through different options such as battery status, weather updates, calendar events, clock styles, and digital well-being tools. Select the widgets that you find useful by simply tapping on them. You may also be able to rearrange or remove them depending on your device settings. Once you are satisfied with your selection, tap Done or Save in the top right corner. Your lock screen will now display the selected widgets, allowing you to quickly view important information without unlocking your phone. This process is simple, user-friendly, and helps personalize your Android experience in a more efficient and modern way.